Okay, CDTI is my sleeper pick for Friday. I will have this one on watch throughout the day on Friday. You look at this chart and you think, what the heck is he talking about? This isn't a very pretty chart. But I'm going to point out a few things. First of all, 20 million shares almost on was March 11th when they announced a deal with Honda. That's a big deal for this company, and it pushed it up through $7. It revisited, broke through 7 again about a week later, and really has had no traction ever since. Having said that, this morning, and I'm making this on Thursday night, this morning you had a very nice 250,000 shares in 5 minutes that took this up to 338, and then you also had an afternoon rally that took it up to 327. Okay, let me go to 15-minute candles here so you can see. If we get over Thursday's high on Friday, okay, if we get to 340, this could push up into the gap and give a nice move. I'm intrigued with it because of these two volume spikes here, and to me, I look at this daily chart, and you can't see it on this. I don't have a 50-day on here, but it's sitting right at the 50-day. You've got support to the left that it hung out in this area for quite a while, last couple months. To me, shorts at this point, late shorts, people shorting down here after this gap down, okay? People shorting down here, the downside is minimal, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but shorting down here is shorting late. Okay, these were the shorts. Anywhere up here in these topping tails, or even the next couple days, shorts riding this down. But right now, the downside is minimal, in my opinion, based on the chart. And shorts that are shorting down here are risking, another PR, right? Another PR announcement of another deal with a big automaker, right? Or another order from Honda or anything like that. You can see what it does to this stock, okay? With the low float that this thing has, no way I'm brave enough to short this down here and hold it. You could wake up in the morning to a nice, deal with Ford or something. I'm just spitballing here, but I would not be shorting down here. So, having said that, I think the play on CDTI is up from here. And on Friday, if it breaks this afternoon high, 328, I will go in. I'll go in long, and I'll be looking to maybe add over 340. But certainly 328 and 340 are a couple catalysts that could propel this higher for a pretty nice percentage gain in a short period of time. So keep CDTI on watch. Now keep in mind, I'm making this video on Thursday night, so I have no idea if it's going to open down at $3, then forget about those numbers. If it opens at 380, forget about those numbers. These numbers of 328 and 340 are kind of assuming a fairly flat open, which may not happen because we have the employment numbers in the morning. So who knows? But certainly keep this one on watch. I'm looking for a nice percentage gain in it. If none of this happens on Friday, I would certainly recommend leaving this one on watch for the next week or so, because I think one of these days we're going to get a really nice pop in it after what I saw on Thursday. All right, talk to you later.